Unraveling Idioms, Understanding, Browned Off. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, browned off. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's quite common in certain English-speaking regions. So, let's dive in and discover what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Browned off is an idiom primarily used in British English. When someone says they are browned off, it means they are feeling annoyed, frustrated, or disillusioned. This phrase often reflects a sense of deep dissatisfaction with a situation. It's important to note that this expression is informal and typically used in casual conversations. The origins of browned off are quite interesting. It first appeared in the military context during World War II among British soldiers. It was used to express their frustration or displeasure with certain aspects of military life. Over time, the phrase transcended military use and became part of everyday language, particularly in the UK. To understand how browned off is used in everyday speech, let's look at some examples. 1. I'm really browned off with this constant rain. Here, it expresses irritation with the weather. 2. She's browned off with her job because she feels unappreciated. In this case, it's used to convey dissatisfaction with work. 3. They were browned off waiting for the delayed flight. This shows the use of the phrase to express annoyance due to a specific situation. It's essential to know when to use this idiom. Browned off is informal, suitable for casual conversations, but not for formal contexts. Emotionally expressive, it conveys a clear emotional state of annoyance or dissatisfaction. Culturally specific, more common in British English, so be mindful of your audience. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, browned off, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to your language skills, making you sound more like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using browned off in your own sentences. See you in our next video.